In a world filled with screens and sedentary lifestyles, Sarah found her refuge in nature.
Every Saturday, she ventured into local parks,
Immersing herself in the beauty surrounding her.
Each hike not only improved her fitness, but also uplifted her mood,
Reducing stress significantly.
preparing meals with fresh,
Organic ingredients from her weekend farmers market visits further ignited her passion for health.
The vibrant colors of fruits and vegetables not only nourished her body, but also inspired a newfound appreciation for wholesome eating.
Sarah realized that a vibrant life intertwined with nature is the ultimate key to holistic health.